Very good morning to all my dear students. Sri, Pragati, and Amish. Good morning to all. Please inform your classmates to join so we can start with the syllabus. By the time they join, let's go with the disclaimer. It is hereby declared that the production of the said content is meant for non-commercial, scholastic, and research purposes only. We admit that some of the content or the images provided in this channel's video may be obtained through the routine Google image searches, and few of them may be under copyright protection. Such usage is completely inadvertent. It is quite possible that we overlook to give full scholarly credit to the copyright owners. We believe that the non-commercial, only for educational use of the material, may allow the video in question fall under fair use of such content. However, we honor the copyright holders' rights and the video should be deleted from our channel in case of any such claim received by us or reported to us. Students will wait for next few minutes so others can join and then we'll start with the basic. We'll share the syllabus with you. Please be online. Guys, do we have discussed the basics of syllabus? सिलेबस हमने डिस्कस किया है कि वो बाकी है अभी? Can you hear me, students? Okay, thank you, Amish. Okay, let me give you an introduction once again. I'm Professor Sunil Masru, and I'm going to deal with your subject strategic management. Let me share the syllabus with you. Is the syllabus visible to you, students? I'm having some network issues, so please let me know. Please confirm it. Okay, good, good. Yeah, thank you. So let's start with that. Now, first of all, congratulate to everyone for entering into the new semester and wish you the luck for your next semester too. The subject name is Strategic Management and the course code is 04DD0502. The duration will be 48 hours, full credit course. 4 क्रेडिट आपको मिलेंगे, ये full credit course है. Now let's go for the objectives. Why the syllabus has been designed? What are the objectives behind designing of this syllabus? The first one is to familiarize the students with basics concept of strategy and strategic management and understands its importance in the business. What is strategy? What is strategic management? And why it is much important for today's business and for the future businesses too. You will be aware about all those things once we complete the first module. This is the very basic one. What do you mean by strategy? What do you mean by strategic management? And why the strategic management is much important. Much, yes, it's really very much important in today's era. We'll share some example with you guys. For example, Kodak. You guys might have heard the name Kodak. It's really very nice company. Once upon a time, not in Mumbai, but in somewhere in the USA, the company was rocking like heaven. Company was the king in the camera market, in the film market, पेपर फिल्म. आज भी अगर आप लोग अपने पेरेंट्स के फोटोज वीडियोज एल्बम वो देखोगे तो उसमें आपको पेपर के पीछे कोडाक रोल या फिर ऐसा कुछ लिखा हुआ मिलेगा. सो कंपनी हैज कैप्चर्ड मोर देन 90% मार्केट शेयर. But then also company fails. Why? What was the reason? Apart from that, Kingfisher Airlines also failed. Sahara Group also failed. Anil Dhirubhai Ambani also failed. So, what are the reasons behind the failure of such business entities? That will go throughout the semester. Apart from that, the second objective is to give basic understanding of tools for analyzing internal and external environment. How internal environment, that is your strength, weaknesses, external environment, that is legal, political, economical, social, cultural, competitors, and many more. How such environment can affect your business, how such environment will make you pressurized to take certain decisions that may be good, that may be bad for your business entities. How certain environment is going to affect your strategy formulation, that will discuss in the module 2 and 3. The third objective of the syllabus is to understand the process of strategy formulation required at corporate, business, and functional level. Mainly, we have three types, or you can say the three levels of strategy: corporate level strategy, business level strategy, and functional level strategy. These are the most important. It will be included in your module 3. Now, how corporate level strategy matters a lot, to whom it matters a lot, how business level strategy is going to affect your business, how functional level strategy is going to affect your departmental areas like HR, marketing, finance, production, IT, R&D, logistics, supply, and so on. So these are the three key concern, or you can say the objectives behind this syllabus. Now course duration, that will be but obvious 48 sessions, each of 60 minutes. Now unit number 1, we have total 5 units. Unit number 1, that requires 8 sessions to complete this module. It includes the basics, or you can say the introduction of strategy. What do you mean by strategy? What are the different levels of the strategy? What do you mean by policy? What do you mean by tactics? And what are the differences, key differences between policy, strategy, and tactics? What do you mean by vision? What are the characteristics of vision? What do we mean by mission? The characteristics of mission. Key companies, key companies like we can say the Coca-Cola, Ford, and few others. The vision and mission of few companies. And what do we mean by goals? Generally, nowadays all the company have single goal, that is of profit making, and once they be on top, they go with some sort of corporate social responsibility. So we'll go with the concept and differences of vision, mission, and goals. Then the strategic management itself, definition, process of strategic management. There are 5 steps. You can consider 6. One step has been added by myself. So you can go for the 6 step, or even if you go with the 5, then it's fine. So strategic management having basic definitions, process of strategic management, and above average return model. That will be added extra. It's not part of your syllabus, but we have added here for your future, or you can say for your references, because it's a good one. So this is our first module that require 8 sessions. It's a very basic one, so that you will be aware about the plus and minus of the strategic management. Now the second module that requires 10 sessions, and the title is environmental analysis. We have to do environmental analysis as and when we are going to start the business. We have to do it. Internal environment, external environment, legal environment, political environment, geopolitical environment, social environment, cultural environment, and many more. We have to go with the detailed analysis of such environment, because we are there in the business, and such environment is going to affect your business directly or indirectly. Then we'll go with the SWOT analysis, strength, weakness, opportunity, and threats, environmental sectors, and environmental scanning. Then internal environment, factors and methods of analysis, internal, comparative, and comprehensive analysis. These are the 3 internal analyses that we are going to conduct. And overall, this module 2, environment analysis, will require 10 sessions. Now coming to the module 3, and that is the important one, because it's the main, strategy formulation, business level and functional level. We have main 3 types of strategy, or you can say the 3 levels of strategy: corporate level, business level, and functional level. Main 3 levels of strategy. Now in the third module, we'll go with the 2, business level and functional level. Here guys, I would like to share that why Balaji is successful, why Parleji is still rocking in the market, why Royal Enfield is still on the top, even though the bike design and all those things are quite old, more than 70 years old, but then also they are rocking. What are the reasons behind that? So that will be the part of business level strategy. Generic business level strategy, that includes cost leadership strategy, differentiation and focus strategy, and other business strategy for the different industry conditions. Depends on your business, depends on your entities, how you are going to formulate your business level strategy. That matters a lot. Then after that, the functional plans and policies, your departments, HR, marketing, finance, production, IT, R&D, logistics, supply, and so on. So you also have to form strategy for certain departments, for certain functional areas. You have to formulate the policies for the same. And this is the part of module 3 that requires 10 session. Now coming to the next module, that is module 5, strategy formulation at corporate level. Corporate level strategy is applicable where the group of companies are there, like Tata Group, Adani Group, Ambani Group, and many more. So when there are number of businesses, they used to go with the corporate level strategy. Now in that, what will be the content? The first one is concentration, integration, diversification, means diversify your business from one to another. Internalization strategies like merger and acquisition that Tata Motors have done with the Jaguar and Land Rover, joint ventures that Vodafone and Idea has done, strategic alliance like many of the oil and petrochemical companies are doing. So this will be the part of corporate level strategy. Apart from that, digitalization strategies, retrenchment and restructuring, only concepts will be there. Only concept. We'll just make you aware what do we mean by retrenchment and restructuring nowadays. So we'll clear that concepts too. So this is our module 4 that requires 10 session. Now coming to the next one, that is module 5 and the last one. Strategy, implementation, evaluation and control. Now once you have done with your strategy formulation, you have formulated your strategy for the corporate level, you have formulated your strategy for the functional level, for the business level. Now it's time to implement. And once you implement the strategy, next step will be of evaluation. And once you evaluate and you come to know that you are out of track, then it's time to put control. So strategic implementation, evaluation and control. Strategy implementation, nature and barriers to strategy implementation, strategic leadership, strategic control, operational control, and techniques of strategic evaluation and control. That requires total 10 sessions. So overall, this is your syllabus, the 5 modules, total 48 sessions. Now what will be the outcome? Learning outcome. Learning outcome from this syllabus. You guys tell me. So once we complete, the outcome will be you will be able to differentiate between strategies made at different level of the organizations and create and implement strategy formulation at the various levels of your management, like top level, middle level, bottom level, and so on. Now the evaluation pattern, as usual, there is no change in that. 20 marks for your rubrics, 30 marks for your mid semester, and rest will be your end semester. Now we have textbook. The first one is of Azhar Kazmi, Strategic Management and Business Policy. The publisher is Tata McGraw-Hill. The second one is Subba Rao. Name of the book is Strategic Management, published by the Himalaya Publication. Both the textbooks are really very good. Both are Indian authors, so the language will be the easy one. We have international authors too that I have kept in the reference book. The first one is John Appiers and all. It's also published by the Tata McGraw. The second one is Adrian Haberberg, Nelson Ripple, Oxford University Press. It's a good one, but the language will be the tough one. Little bit tough, but if you guys want to go with that, you will have an international idea about the strategic management. The third one is V.S. Ramaswamy, Strategic Planning and Formulation of Corporate Strategy. So, guys, overall, this is your syllabus and the basic discussion about your subject, syllabus, rubrics, and all. 20 marks will be of rubrics, in that assignments will be there. Anything else you guys would like to ask, feel free.
Sir, we have to follow any individual textbook or we will get every notes.
We'll share PPT with you. Apart from that, we'll share the soft copy of book Michael Hitt, Strategic Management. We'll share that book soft copy with you, and PPT will share.
Okay, sir.
If you guys want to dictate, then it will be very much fine, because when actually we start with the first module, we'll share n number of live examples with you. And if you are dictating it, then it will be useful for you for the future reference. At the exam time, you will be aware that yes, this was the point, this was the topic, and this was the example for this. So at that time, it won't become hodgepodge. It will be very much clear cut to you.
And sir, that class joining message was not came in WhatsApp, so many students don't know that this class is going or not.
But dear, this you are in fifth semester, and since last, yeah, this is your third semester, fourth semester, and fifth semester.
But sir, the first two lectures were not taken, or that's why everybody is in that third lecture also will not there.
Okay.
This is third lecture of SM.
Mhm.
So everybody thought that sir will not come in this lecture or sir will message us.
Okay, okay. But now from today onwards, tell them to join on time. You have your timetable, and the
Okay,
same
okay.
is with me. Yeah, I will join on my time.
Hmm.
1 or 2 minutes will be the excluded. No issue for that. But tell them to join on time.
Okay, sir.
So any doubts for syllabus or rubrics or anything? Okay, good. So guys, today we'll keep up to this only. Tomorrow we'll start with the first module, the basic introduction of the strategy and strategic management. Today we'll keep up to this only. Please write down your name and enrollment number in the chat box for attendance purpose. That's it for the day. Thank you so much, guys. Take care. Yes, Parthwala, you want to ask anything?